As it sits is definitely not how I bought it. I bought it brand new, always had the idea for it that I wanted to make it a track vehicle. So during COVID, I got into that scene, started the, I don't know, addiction, if you will, and bunch of modifications, and years later, here we are. So I've got it, pretty much every part of it is touched at some point. My name is Dale Fredericks. This is my 2018 Ford Fiesta ST. I've got full BC coilover suspension with custom spring rates on it, different camber, rear camber plates as well for better traction, full bolt-on under the hood other than stock turbo, but I do have a bigger turbo sitting at home in my garage waiting to be installed. So hopefully I'll get a lot more power out of it at that point. Other than that, intake, exhaust, intercooler, oil cooler, tune, cooling mods, and then on the inside I have buckets, driver's seat, a different aftermarket shifter, and then basically like half gutted sunroof delete, custom sunroof delete, which I did myself, no headliner, rear seats deleted, all that sort of stuff. It's been great for me so far. I've actually been able to set the lap record for this platform at Button Willow. Record stood for 5 years before me. I broke it, and then somebody broke it a month after I got it. So I'm trying to get that back, but this car has been a great platform for me, super reliable. You may notice my little drift stitches up here on the front. That was from a little incident where I was coming back from the track when I was living down in Southern California, and took Angeles Crest Highway to get home. Just was kind of being dumb on my track tires. Ended up hitting the wall, unfortunately. Split my bumper, did some damage to the rear bumper as well. But I figure it's part of the story of the car, and I do kind of like the little aesthetic that gives of form over function, or function over form rather. I call it Magnus because it's magnetic gray metallic. Magnus has been my trusty steed for a while now, so I love it.